This man, you know, it is alleged at one point, unakumbuka ile gazeti ya Nairobian ilikuwa inasema ya kwamba alikuwa na Kaswende. Umejua Kaswende inaharibu akili, ina make watu wanakuwa mad. Si mliona hiyo nyinyi watu wa media, mliona hiyo gazeti? Hiyo ugonjwa kama haikumaliza kutibiwa kwa Kaluma, arudi hospitali. Wale watu wote ambao ameweka kwenye hiyo list, those are our personal security officers. Wanawaweka hapo, I don't know who and who, murder charges, who and who, robbery with violence charges. Hizo ni upuzi mwingi sana. And wacha niambie Kaluma, because ni kama haelewi sheria, anasema yeye ni wakili. Every case must be treated with its own facts and merit. You cannot associate one case to the other. You cannot. That takes us back to the doctrine of contemporaneous similar fact evidence. You cannot. It's a long case that I wish to state, but that's a story for another day. So the people that have been placed in that list are our personal security officers. Today we've seen goons in Homa Bay celebrating. You'll see those clips. They are celebrating how they attacked our people, how they maimed and killed our supporters. So we still insist that Kaluma must be arrested and Wanga must be arrested. Hii maneno ya kucheza games and we know what is happening, hii ni upuzi mwingi sana. And I still repeat that Kaluma hauta honor the doors of parliament in 2027. I'll be in charge of taking you home. Isaiah Ogwe will be the next MP for Homa Bay town constituency.